Good morning, class.
Good morning, Charlie.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Excellent. Okay, let's start. That today is Tuesday, January 27, 2026, and I'm so excited, Jimmy, to be here with you. Okay, let's have a great day. And class, I need to share this again with you as every day. You are amazing. Okay? Before I start our day, I want to make sure how you are feeling today. If you are feeling great, you are going to give me thumbs up. If you are feeling like kind of tired, give me like a thumb across. But if you are not feeling well, that is okay as well. You can give me a thumb down. So I would like to know how you're feeling today. Can I see your thumbs? Amaya, how are you feeling today? Wow, you're feeling great. What about you? You're not feeling well? Just kind of like sick? Okay, but you can give me a thumb down. That way Miss Rodriguez know and I can check during the day how you keep feeling. Well, let me see around our rules for the day and for our class as well. As every single day, Ms. Rodriguez remind the rules, right? So rule number one, Cairo, which one is our rule number one? Follow directions quickly, right? Our rule number two. Who can share with Ms. Rodriguez rule number two? Lemuel. For permission to speak, right? If you want to speak, as Amaya did a few minutes ago, she raised her hand because she wants to say something, right, Amaya?
Make happy your teacher.
May your teacher
Happy.
Make your teacher happy. Amazing class. I feel like we are ready to start our day. And I need everybody listening to Ms. Rodriguez. We have an essential question as every single day for today. And our essential question is, how do letters and sound work together to make words? And the other one is, how does knowing sounds help us become better readers? So I'm going to give you 2 minutes and you can discuss with your partner how do letters and sound work together to make words. How is that? Anybody start thinking, turn, and share with your partner. So I made a turn. You can turn and speak with Emma. I'm going to say this in Spanish as well. Listen to me, class. I'm going to say this in Spanish, Kailin. Listen, cómo las letras y los sonidos trabajan juntos para formar palabras. Cómo las letras y los sonidos trabajan juntos para formar palabras. So now you can discuss in Spanish and English, and then we are going back to see which one was your discussion. Doyler, can you discuss with your table what is important to know sound letters to make words? Muy bien, amazing. How and why is that important? If you want to answer this question, raise your hand. Okay, Liam. We can make side words, that's amazing. But what we need to know before to make the side word? What we need to know before? Letter what? If you want to talk, you need to raise your hand, right? Liam, we are going to find some for workers that I'm going to help you with that answer. Okay, what we need to know before to make a word?
Just pick a letter and then put it on.
And put them together. But what do you need to know? Just the letter name or also letter sounds?
Letter sounds.
We need to know the letter sounds to build words. And building words, do you think it's important or it's not important? If you think it's important, give me a thumb up. If you think it's not important, give me a thumb down. Wow, amazing. it is really important because that is how we can talk and also what else? Read. Excellent. We can read. Amazing class. So now, the thing for today are that at the end of this lesson, Carolina and everybody is going to be able to orally blend and segment for needs. All CBC words, identify where to start reading the text, and read a short detailable text with teacher support. Okay? Now, class, we are going to start our warm up, and we are going over our ABC. So, we also are going to learn a new letter. Some of you know this letter already, but some of you need to practice again. So the new letter is W. Everybody say W. Oh, everybody show me. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Amaya, let's say whoop, 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 whoop.
That's all.
Anybody on your prior model, please trace the letter W. Over here.
For writing out is what you need to do. Let's fix.
What letter are we learning? W. And Emilia, what is the W sound? Vicente, what letter are we learning? That is the sound, but what is the letter name? What is this letter name? Is that the letter B or the letter W? W. We are going to start our phonological awareness. And we are going to get ready for our oral blending and segmenting CBC words. Now, we don't need to write. We just need to listen and tap our arms. Okay? So let's get ready. The first word Miss Rodriguez is going to segment with you is the word, listen careful, G. Oh. Good.
Wow.
Excellent. Emma, how many sounds do you hear? But it's one at a time, Cairo. How many sounds? 3 sounds. We move each circle. Amaya, look. And we say hat. Okay, let's try it again, Amaya. Hat. So let's count. How many letters do we have in the word hat? Ready? How many? 3, right? We have 3 letters. E. Which one is? Pig. Let's count how many sounds the word pig has. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's do the beginning sound. Middle sound. E. Pig. The first word is the word wag. Can everybody say wag? Wag, wag, wag. What letter do we need?
W.
W. Everybody please get your letter W and place right at the top. Everybody get your letter W. Amaya, can you find the letter W? Look, Amaya. Let's find your letter W. W and place here. It's upside down. Can you see? W. Okay. We are going to build it here, okay? Excellent. Good job, Alice. W at the beginning. Remember, W. Now then, everybody says, So what letter do we need? A. So everybody please, Amaya, look. Now we need, Amaya, we need the letter A. What? And the next And the ending sound now is g, 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 g. What is the last one? G. So, w, a, g. Everybody say, what word did we build?
What?
What? Model. What is the first letter?
W.
W. A.
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 G.
G. G.
G.
G. Everybody say wag.
What?
Wag.
What? I want to read the word.
Everybody snap your finger for Kaylin. Now, Kaylin, we need to make sure that everybody's reading the word with us. Ready? Class? Whoop.
Good. Wow.
Amazing, Kaylin. Everybody snap your finger for yourself. Right? Writing part in the sound. Spelling. The first picture is a watermelon. Everybody say watermelon. Watermelon. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Royler, what sound do you hear at the beginning? W. Can you please go to the smart board and trace the whoop, whoop sound? Everybody, please trace on your magazine the whoop, whoop sound. Watermelon. What letter do we need?
D.
G. So Amelia is going to trace the uppercase D and the lowercase d.
I don't go there already.
Lemuel, can you please come here? Miss Rodriguez is going to say a new word, and the new word, Lemuel, is going to be wet. Everybody say wet.
Wet.
Whoa. And wet. One more time. Whoa. And wet. Excellent. We're going to start our contest of print and fluency. We are going to read a story that is summer fun. You are going to mark the text. When you are marking the text, you have to circle around the title and write the number of sentence. So please, everybody, you have your text in front and start circling around the title and numbering the sentence. How many sentences you have? Samira, circle around the title. Can you please start circling around the title? Circle the title. Benita, what is the title? Can I see your title? Where do you see the title? Excellent title. Let's see if you circle the title. Amazing. Excellent. So, class, I'm going to circle around my title now. That way everybody can check if you did right. That way you can be in the same page.
Summer fun.
Okay?
It's hot. It's hot in the summer. He wants to get wet. Look at the big man. And he has a funny wing. The wave looks hot.
Excellent. So class. So everybody can start reading with your partner the whole story. Everybody start reading with your partners the whole story.
Summer.
Point under the title. Everybody say summer fun. Sentence number 1. Point under the word it. The first word. It is hot in summer. We like to get wet. Let's stop in the second sentence. We read sentence 1 and sentence 2. Now, Ms. Rodriguez would like to know, and you need to raise your hand, which words in this sentence begin with the whoop, whoop sound. Amira? Wet. And Kaylin? We. Everybody say wet and we. We are going to circle the word we and wet. And to put inside the box the high frequency word for this week. So it's going to be the side word are and the side word have. Everybody say are, have. Amaya, are you doing are inside a box and have?
Yeah.
Are.
Everybody say are.
Sound.
Samira, look.
The word are has one sound. Are.
Everybody say are.
Letters A and R make the R sound. The letter E is silent. R.
Let's learn a new word you see and hear every day. This is the word have. Can you say,
Now is the closure part. Now, class, is going to be our closure. For this part, we are going to play a game. Everybody's going to play a different role. Some of you are going to be a red group, some of you are going to be a green group, and some of you are going to be a blue group. If you are in the red group part, your activity is going to be identify the beginning sound of each picture. You are going to look at the picture and you are going, Jimmy, to try to find the beginning sound. Some of you are going to do by yourself because I need to know if you know, and if you don't know, it's okay. That way, I can reteach you tomorrow. Now, if you are in the green group, what you have to do? You have to find the middle sound. And the last one, if you are in the blue group, wait,
I am blue.
you don't know yet. If you are in the blue group, that is the only one that knows that is Miss Rodriguez. It's a surprise. That is why it's important to pay attention. If you are in the blue group, you are going to find the beginning, middle, and end sound for each picture. Have a paper and a pencil. Give me thumbs up if you are ready to start our game. Let's see if everybody's ready to start our game. Excellent. Now it's time to turn your paper. You cannot ask me, you cannot ask your partner, write your name. Yes, Amaya, and try your best. Look, Aileen is helping you find your pencil. Everybody please write your name and I start finding the missing letters. Alice, can you show your paper to the camera? You are doing a great job. Keep it up. Carol, can you please show your paper to the camera? Feeling? Okay, Mariana, we are going to check this paper for your closure and see which mistake you made. And also, we are going to review together to figure out how you can do better next time, okay? So what is this picture? Sun. So, sun. You trace letter I. Instead of the letter I, what letter do we need? You, right? Good job. So now let's review the next one. What picture is this, Mariana? Hat, right? Let's segment the word hat. Ready? Hat. Let's try it again. Just show me the sounds. Hat. So what is the middle vowel? A. And which one do you trace down? So instead of O, next time make sure that you trace the letter that belongs to that sound, okay? So you did right with hat. Thank you, Mariana.